Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. This video will guide you on how to configure your sender address. You can maintain your shipping address via the sender address in Settings. The list here includes CubeWorks preset address as well as other addresses you have added manually. You can set your default shipping address as needed. You can add a new address by clicking the Add New button. Then, you need to maintain the basic information of the address, including the country or region, shipper information, including contact details, company, and so on. After saving, you can see the address you just added in the list. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to configure the sender address. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our extensive library of tutorial content.